nothing Jesus cannot do. Jesus answers prayers, nothing Jesus cannot do. Jesus answer prayers, not.
Oh, good morning. Akawa Sonko ba Ahosepe Jumezedo. Onfa hu baby African mothers. We be pray mu bia no we African mothers. I want dollar into me Africa no. If hono mo nti no. Is it no the president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Now at the pay Panama sure they say inyisika ehu. Wunchi akekempo. Oyo obi ehi. Sinis kekichi mpo na obi na adwen ele baba elebesleska. Oh uncle, what's done? Oh. Posho good morning no awenyen elebesleska. Hey. Serious oh. Inti edumesi bia yezi bia yebomozo na yenzu ne yedam roba ya. Ye ninchia onka yedam mayere baba srazi. Ehu na yankwohwe nsama orekodo na quickly no last week na it was a very big week as a Black Sheriff na ni nyinara nyinde oyaza Infinix for wa sign no hot note series be also hot 40 series na phone no ye kama pa na wa fando ombra na omba ye brand ambassador informal phone no jumezi na waye no so no na on the phone cra party after party na bibia ye hot wo honom na oye kama papa into no na mo me enjoy papa mo boma no do twar bibia na odezi into no ma yankwankwo share the okodo wombre kra Infinix for wafa Black Sheriff as one brand ambassador.
November bosumeda neto swejiasa ewa fimpinu eni edonomi esanemo ena Infinix edi omofon foforo hot 40 series ebaye na wojumedia no de pa ho ntoma na se no oyi Ghana dwumtini kase Black Sheriff some brand ambassador edemasa afon yi dwumadie wode hyehye so Grand Arena ewo nkramantam no emu na titire eni hukudamfo ena oto omosa ede frɛ wamu a ebi mokura mpo no eto dwum de gege woman anse Infinix yi dwumtini some brand ambassador ne ntino Mr. Drew ye ono so to dwum ewo my Ghana mu ednani akire hono a ode moa ekota ni nya Black Sheriff achi a akire no Omountain stage so koto dwum ifetu dwum wieye na mpanyefo to mo side friend no insem bia o kan ye de fa dwuma oni Infinix for baba ye no ho eni
ebisa de mpono we choose Black Hole as one brand ambassador wo senti be nte wo choose no ana.
Okay, yeah choose Black Hole because ye hu se sisia no obi aka Black Hole na the music so akofa not only in Ghana but worldwide enti na my fa Black Hole because say Black Hole eba Infinix or the ebe ko worldwide enti na me fa Black Hole
enti ni usiti na wa fa Black Hole no me pede me hu de abazide na obeya am ho na way of promotion for Infinix. Okay,
ya fa Black Hole no ye expected Black Hole say obe promote your phones no through ne social media handles no because post to Infinix for Twitter ekofa or post to Instagram ekofa TikTok ekofa Snapchat ekofa enti expected Black Hole say all the Infinix be call name through the social media platform any program you be no at least a flag should show from Infinix enti that's and no na yeah expected from Black Hole so we promoting Infinix products especially the hot 40 series. Yes,
it makes me like appreciate life and understand so many things that was happening before this. Do you get it? Cause like I feel like when you've not seen things that you've paid for happen, it's like there's a lot of complaining. There's like a lot of complaining and like you complain about suffering and stuff. But when you get it and you don't even see it, like years after you realize, say, yo, I was praying for this thing that I had last year. And it's like you understand it that all the suffering and everything was preparing you for it. And I'm just grateful for what it has taught me.
Congratulations, Kese Nkoma Black Hole. You there from glory into glory all the time. No boy, no nenyi mukwa noroko. Nti ye piano monko. But Infinix, one party game get tight. Or two party papa. Menywa J. One son want to force na one son want to nsa from na mbechile kakra mbeji menyo hono mede besi hono na matua mensamdo na hama a beat maker o krom hade na he's a very big one obeso nyende oyaze papa no yaza watcher Adom na se kakra watcher ni history mpo no ochire mu Adom san most na enyim no na nyadam no oti obeya se reggae artist ma menjasam ni free nenum na menka menkete hama na yembrasisia.
One of the best reggae producers of all time. Yeah? When Adom was with me and we were recording his album, a second album, and he wanted a reggae song. Because Adom, originally, he was a reggae artist. I changed him to a hip-hopper just because I realized he could rap.
Wow.
His name was Exodus. Are you listening?
Yeah.
His name was Exodus.
Adom, go get them.
Yes, his name was Exodus. And he was a dancehall artist. And he could do reggae as well. So when he came to me, I slowly transformed him into the part of him that I enjoyed, which is the rap. So after we finished the rap album and he got notoriety, he wanted to go back to his first love and have at least 1 or 2 reggae songs. So I said, look, reggae, I mean to me, okay. So we went to Red Eye and he played a Get to Arise. You know Red Eye?
Yeah.
It's one of the best reggae producers of all time. Yeah? When Adom was with me.
That's an interesting story. Wow. What could do behind the scenes? I hear you say 200 dollars for papa. Now, so the you know so or you come up papa and you know say if you've ever wondered about Adom, which my reggae artist for papa. Na hama no 10 and mobile rapper. Na yen free hono me. Na yen so yen ko share a video bi a me hu on social media. Me yen shim kakra. Na Kwame Eugene, hey, ye po chowo brother. Say hey, wo jira stage ya when you to me jam obrodo. It's decisions be home. Was it a calculated decision? I will share video in a yamra. Oh, who pow? Oh, the mazi did a breakum ho. Did the breakum for now? One point was one child. Like, don't try this. Hey, now you could pay more. But the best ho. See, you could pay more than Mukona come out was like a box of grand from back. Well, for the fans, Anna, for the fans, it's no so he is the best honum. Na young conquer share Nathaniel Bassi, or as a weekend, we will pay more Ghana or no Victoria, Rinze Munazinano, Wukrum Hade, or show concert Casepa, Nyafediagro. Now, during the concerts, no, and Orica day, own a day, Sanka, Ghana had the gospel musicians, no, Sanka, Bokono, the English way now, Nanko Boy, Papa, Mini Wagon chef, and you was it now so say no, na Yambra. Until no, I will ye fancy honum na no so yen dona yen kon share gospel musician o sanda ye gospel home community no yen share gospel musician Dinah Hamilton na oyaza ndeda yen hopon za afi ka na afi ho na me hu na video posti and it reminds me that we are saying why osada ye very grateful for the simple things of life nyama kiti bi no mpo no the gift of a family, the gift of breath, the gift of loved ones. Wonderful. They be near the minimum because some people don't have it. Atasa, into no, as well as if you are beating yourself up, to Basana. But my video no, nay happy birthday number, but wishing happy birthday or a fee. Yeah, share video na yamra. Birthday to you, happy birthday.
Oh wow, I got a cake too.
Yeah,
I thought that was
birthday,
dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Why is no one singing with me?
Well, because we want you to sing.
Yeah.
Michael, you could have joined in the singing.
Michael, join in the singing.
I have to. I don't like singing.
How old are you now?
Really, Michael?
Like, seriously.
I don't like singing.
Come make a wish.
Don't burn my hair.
Is that your only wish?
2
1.
Yay!
I'll go warm the stuff.
I know, warm milk.
Hey, what do you want?
Cow milk, please.
Good choice.
Scent for me is that scent for me. Come. Now you know on your kakreke bia so every video na be smile throughout. It's so simple and so nice. In total de bia the simple things of life no are very necessary. Now make a simple things of life no. DJ Cappy yenim do ya za whisker papa na papa so e billionaire kakapa o na je ba so o kira on for ho sika owo na nyeme bia owo no botum waye. She's very unpredictable. Na I would say DJ Cappy na yumrasia.
There's a power in uncertainty. There's a power in not being sure. There's also power in failure. Even the biggest, most successful women, they don't always do well. They don't always sell out arenas. They don't always have best-selling books. Well, actually, apart from Oprah, Beyonce. But for us normal women, us mortals, failure is inevitable. We will all have failure in our personal life and in our professional life. Now, I can stand here and tell you how unpredictable my life has been, despite being from a privileged background. Whether it's my failed jewelry line, which I did at 28 years old, or going to University of Oxford at 29 and almost failing class. Perhaps the cherry on top, last year I got engaged and I'm no longer engaged. But such is life. And I know my story is still happening and there's more to come, and I'm okay with the uncertainty. And thank you. There's a power in uncertainty.
Okay. Hey, Mami Kase Micho, be back there or scadodo. She's lucky and all that. But don't look at the messenger, look at the message. Sometimes be spontaneous. Try nyama. Mankedi, you know, my na de menya da or nimu comfort zone muntu menye try. Mame try. Botu abo mamo atasa. Na wa be ko fe reach ba de be futi mu fa mamo. Mate what heda yes hujbo so do say practice da ye preaching you know yes ma ye ho na so no in there a big day 5th December ezema one mbobo ho nizini and a big day papa nyameza fe kor aka ho na fe ho into no ohe ni je ohe na ho a de mpo no wo hwa Adom TV na onam dunti na ye baba wish one a happy birthday na ye bom pete ko pono nkra ho no do mfa ma hen dem nyimpe mbobo ho nizini mbezinka na ma wish Ama Debbie, a happy birthday. Ama Debbie, nyami inshro bebre. Ya da yakupona se doze afekor ozaka wafi ho inshro wonyo kese onto wonkom. Na mpeya mabo amu yonkom obi biara nda so oye na woda Charles. In there a wawoda happy birthday sonko onko Mao Charles baby biara e wo bia Chris Adom in there a wawoda baby ere wo bia no jiwenwa na mansalama Charles happy birthday biom okay into no imagine happy birthday no ti do na makran ho na wa jembre nyim ye yi nyame show papa nyame Adom a ye basana ye hia wo be Kofi Ampejo e me producer director Ama Abilonzi also e me producer Osmosis e sound basa Israel set one mo gina oba be camera nyame show won bebre makran ho is no e Fantidor president for the Brothers and Sisters Association Mano at all.